So I just wanted to give you a little hotel tour of the first leg of the journey. So we are staying overnight at the DoubleTree Hilton Hotel at Newcastle Airport, and then tomorrow we are flying from Newcastle to London Heathrow, and then from London Heathrow to New York JFK. Just minding our own business in the bar, and who walks in? Rio Ferdinand. Rio Ferdinand, can you believe it? The whole purpose of this video is not to talk about Rio Ferdinand. The whole purpose is for me to give you a little tour of this room, because this is the start of the holiday. This is the first part, so we may as well include it. So I've stayed in this hotel before. It's very nice. You get a warm cookie on arrival at DoubleTree Hilton hotels. If you're allergic to nuts, don't get it because it has walnuts in. I'm going to save mine for tomorrow for some kind of breakfast or snack, by which point it is obviously not going to be a warm cookie anymore, but still a good cookie nevertheless. So I'm standing here at the entrance to the room, so you can see the room itself is quite spacious. So we've got a really big, I think it's a double, I don't know if it's a queen size bed, bedside tables on either side. There's more than enough room for me to just randomly throw my suitcase on the floor. There's a little armchair with a table and a lamp. Then there's a desk area, another lamp and chair. Some places to put your luggage. There's a TV. What's in here? Let's have a little look. Is there anything in here? Okay, just the safe. Then in here, ooh, a fridge. Nice. Yeah. And then here we've got quite a good tea and coffee making facility. So we've got some Biscoff biscuits, we've got milk, we've got sugar and sweetener, we've got, what's this here? Ooh, decaf coffee. Where are you? There you are. Decaf coffee. We've got some standard coffee. We've got some hot chocolate. And we have got some English breakfast tea. So there's more than enough here when it comes to tea and coffee. Got a nice mirror here. Hello everyone. There's an iron, some hangers and an ironing board. Then over here, what's this? Oh, okay, so this is a laundry or ironing charge. Dry cleaning and pressing. Yeah, some more hangers. We'll just take a little look into the bathroom. Yeah, so there's a bath and shower area. And then we've got the toilet, and we've got the sink, and we've got lots of mirrors here. And this concludes our hotel room tour. So yeah, first part of the holiday, here we go. So I will see you soon. Bye bye.